What?
I'm not sit.
Why Mac not sit? You kick your legs?
No.
All right, what are you on?
Ow.
A boat wheel?
But wheel. Yeah.
That's what it is? What's over there?
Huh?
What's over there? Over the water.
What?
What is it?
Water
Huh?
wheel.
Water what?
Water wheel.
I don't understand. Is
Water wheel.
water wet? Hey, is that the Savannah River?
No.
It's not? What did I tell you that river's called? Kelty, do not fall off. Savannah River? Savannah River?
No.
Yes, it is.
No, man.
Are we at the Riverwalk?
Yeah. Yeah.
What is that? The train bridge?
Yeah.
Train bridge?
Yeah.
And it goes over the water?
Yeah.
McKelty, you gonna say hey?
Hey.
McKelty, you gonna talk? McKelty.
You still have access to
Hey.
the phone.
Hey. Man down.
You want down?
Man
Okay.
down.
Okay.
Get down.
Okay. Oh, please. And McKelty says no. All right. Y'all want to go back to the water?
Yeah.
All right. You got your drink? Okay. Go over to the water. This way. This way. This way. This way. There we go. So we happened to come down here and to see the market and figured out that it was Pride Parade going on around the corner, and I had no clue. But so now tons of people are down here. But we did see the Saturday market like we came for. But nobody's down here we came for.
Trap.
So
My trap.
it's seaweed, but I don't know what you call it in the Savannah River.
Mommy,
What?
put it back.
Okay, way right there. Oh, you're gonna put it back? Okay. Back is way over there. Okay, nobody gonna touch it.
Turn up there
Huh.
and the hole.
Alright. You wanna say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
McKelty, say bye-bye. McKelty! Are you gonna not talk? You put your face in a spiderweb, child? Yes, you did. McAllister, please don't put your head between the bars. Please don't put your head between the bars. Good gravy.
Yeah.
Don't do that again. At least you know how to get your head out.
Yeah.
What if they had gotten stuck?
I'm not good.
I would have had to call Aunt Janice. You know how many times she had to get my head out of her bars at her house?
Yeah.
Because I don't know how to do it. Maybe I need to look into that.
And then hit that and way man down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you getting the drink? I hear it. It sounds like animals. Maybe the geese. Or ducks or something that's down there at the water. Y'all ready to go back? Woody?
No.
Kelty, please don't climb up there and get hurt. Baby, no. I know, baby, no.
Right there.
What's way right there? Oh, somebody? Yeah. Say hey.
Hey.
Thank you.
Oh wow.
It's all natural.
Oh, water right there.